Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing something very interesting. We will be seeing the difference in question paper patterns between PM and CB method for GPSTR. Actually, many aspirants have this doubt. They keep on messaging us, Madam, I want GPSTR CB method course or I want GPSTR PM method course. And we always reply them that in GPSTR, the question paper has PCMB for both PM method aspirants and CB method aspirants. See, even though the syllabus is same, the subject weightage is different. I have told this in my earlier videos also. Maths will have more weightage for PM method paper and science will be given more weightage for CB method paper. Okay, some aspirants after hearing that will find this little bit confusing. What does this more maths or less maths actually mean? Means, see, I will make it clear for you by keeping in our mind the GPSTR 2022 question paper. Okay, we have actually analyzed the 2022 question paper for both PM and CB methods, and then we have created a pattern breakdown to make you all understand about the blueprint, what type of questions are coming for PM and CB method aspirants. Okay, both the question papers will be different, right? Even though the syllabus is same, question papers will be different and questions will be different. So that's why we have created a very nice blueprint for both PM and CB method question paper based on this 2022 question paper. Okay. See, first let's start with the MCQ section. There will be 50 questions, each carrying 1 mark, right? Here we have seen that for PM method question paper, out of 50 questions, 21 questions were asked from mathematics and 29 questions were asked from science. This will also include the methodology questions also, okay? Whereas in CB method question paper, we have seen 8 questions from mathematics and 42 questions from science part. See, even though CB method aspirants are getting few maths questions, but the point here is that you should still prepare for maths thoroughly only, right? Because every mark will count, especially in mathematics. So even to answer just 8 maths questions correctly also, you will have to prepare thoroughly for mathematics, right? So you should also remember that for PM method aspirants, mathematics methodology questions will be asked. For CB method aspirants, science methodology questions will be asked. Okay. After this MCQ part comes the descriptive part, because in GPSTR you should be knowing that not only multiple choice questions, but there will also be 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark descriptive type questions. You will have to write the lengthy answers in the exam. This is not like HSTR or CRICE or TET where only multiple choice questions are asked. Okay. So many aspirants still don't know this exam pattern and they are little bit confused. So we really hope that this video will clear all your doubts. Okay. Coming back to our descriptive section. Let's first talk about 2 mark questions. There will be 8 questions carrying 2 mark each. For PM method question paper, all 8 are from mathematics as per 2022 question paper. Whereas for CB method aspirants, 3 maths questions are asked and 5 science questions are asked. Again, if only 3 maths questions are asked also, you will have to prepare. I mean to say CB method aspirants will have to prepare for mathematics, because if you don't prepare and if you skip these answers or if you give wrong answers, you will fall behind in the competition, right? If you want your name to be in the top merit list, you have to prepare thoroughly both for maths and science. Okay. Now moving on to 3 marks questions, descriptive. There were 24 questions, out of which for PM method aspirants, 12 questions from mathematics, 12 questions from science. But for CB method aspirants, 5 questions from mathematics and 19 questions from science. Out of these 19 questions, 7 to 8 questions are from physics. Rest are from chemistry and biology. Okay. So aspirants should focus on physics also. Now coming to 4 mark questions, there were 3 questions. For both PM and CB method question papers, all 3 questions were from science. No 4 mark question from mathematics were asked in 2022. Okay, so we created this analysis by studying the GPSTR 2022 question paper in detail. If you are preparing for GPSTR, then moral of the story is that CB method aspirants should study maths and science. Also PM method aspirants should study maths and science. You cannot afford to ignore any subject from physics, chemistry, biology and maths. So you have to understand this pattern in order to help yourself prepare in a smarter way and also to increase your chances of success in GPSTR this time. Okay. Let me remind you of our new GPSTR batch which is going to start on July 18th. So there are limited seats. If you are interested, please join now. If you have any doubts, you can contact us by writing us mail atahar.tethrcourses@gmail.com, or you can message us in WhatsApp 911-055-8369. Please don't call because phone calls are not allowed. Okay. And if you are mailing, please make sure that you are writing the spelling of email ID correctly. Okay. The course duration is 3+ months. Okay, more than 3 months it will take, because we will plan in such a way that first we will cover mathematics classes, then we will cover physics, then we will cover chemistry, then biology, then we will go for paper 1 classes. Okay, so more than 160 hours will be taken, and once you are enrolled, no, you will have 24/7 access to all our classes till your exam day. Along with this, every class will go with notes with full syllabus. Okay, and separate study material will be given for science, mathematics worksheets will be given, and of course even for complementary paper 1 classes also notes will be given. Okay, so we have also prepared one nice CDB question bank which is having 300 multiple choice questions which will surely help you, and we also have a Kannada study material in order to help you all with the paper 3. Okay, and of course there will be an interactive Telegram group which is dedicated to clearing all your doubts after watching the classes. Okay, so I really hope that this class helped you in clearing all the confusion related to the exam pattern of GPSTR with a nice blueprint of maths and science. Thank you. All the best. Bye.